Hi everyone, I am GL Sumlata, Assistant Professor, GRIT. In this video I am going to show you how to draw the schematic of NOR gate in mobile. So here in the bottom we have components. Select the components. So we need to select the PMOS, NMOS. So if the arrow is outward, it is PMOS, this arrow. Similarly, two NMOS transistors we require. Just place the components in the appropriate position so that we can make the interconnections. The F is equal to A plus B whole bar is the NOR gate equation. So A plus B whole bar. So plus indicates parallel in the pull down, and in the pull down we will have two NMOS transistors. So take the NMOS transistors. This arrow inward indicates NMOS. So plus indicates parallel combination in the pull down. Pull down contains NMOS transistors. Pull up contains PMOS transistors. If in pull down NMOS is in parallel, pull up they will be obviously in series. Pull down is constructed using NMOS, pull up using PMOS. Then voltages we need to place. So voltage for VDD, then grounds. First we need to place all the components, then we need to do the wiring. First if we do the wiring, then it will become clumsy, so that connections becomes somewhat difficult. So for A and B, A plus B, two pulse sources are required. So just I am placing at the bottom so that I will not have any confused connections. One is A pulse source, the other one is for B. So like this we can just zoom in, zoom out, just scroll horizontal, vertical, so that all components are placed. Now we can do the wiring. So for wiring, this pen symbol is used. So use the pen symbol and just make the dots wherever we want. So series connection. Pull down, parallel connection we will do. So parallel is nothing but source is connected to source. Now I am connecting source. Drain is connected to drain. These are drains. And to avoid the body effect, substrate will be always connected to the source. And here we can take the output. Then positive terminal is connected to supply, negative terminal is connected to ground. Here also body terminal is connected to the source. This body terminal is also connected in the same way. So gates we need to connect. So this is the source. VSS of NMOS is grounded. Even for pulse source negative is grounded. Then input we need to connect. Inputs, A is connected, so that is connected. Then B. So this is B. B is connected, that we will connect here. So this is a crossover. This is not a node. Okay, then change the settings. I want to give 5 volts, just touch it. Use the screwdriver symbol. Touch the voltage. Give 5 volts. Then here also pulse source we can change the settings. For all the combinations of NOR we want to check. So for that, width I am giving to time period I am giving as 4. For the other source I am giving width as 1, period I am giving as 2, just double I am giving. Then just save the, go to 3-dot menu, save as NOR new. Okay, so if that name already exists, give some other name, NOR new 2. Okay, then run. So we can run the output. So for running we need to select the input, select the input line, select the output line. This is not output, sorry, this is one more input. Input A, input B is coming now. Then output line should be selected. So this is the output. Input A is green color, input B is red color, output is blue color. Just I am pausing it so that we can check the truth table. In OR gate it is opposite to OR gate. OR gate except for 0 0, output is 1 for every case. 0 0 is 0 for OR gate, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1, 1 1 is also 1. Whereas here it is opposite. So for 0 0 we will get output as 1. In rest all cases output will become 0. So let us check it. So red is one input. So 1 0, 1 0, 0, blue is 0. Then both are zeros, red and green are zeros, blue is 1. So when green is 1, red is 1, blue is the output, 0. So everywhere we can see blue is in the ground. So for all the combinations except for both 0, A and B 0, only when A and B is 0, output B is high. Rest all cases output is low. So in that way we can check the output. So hope you all understood this. Thank you one and all.